Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll walk you through how to make keyboard vibrate when typing on iPhone. So if you want to make your keyboard vibrate like this while you are typing, here's a do that. So the first thing you will have to do is you have to turn on a particular setting called haptic. So haptic works right in line with Vibrate for keyboard, and especially for iPhone user. It is on Android user, there's a specific option for them to turn on the Vibrate option for keyboard, but if it is iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to turn on the haptic sound. So just open your settings, then scroll down to sound, scroll down to sound and haptics. Sound and haptics. Good. So you have to scroll down a little bit. Then here is sound here under the keyboard feedback, or probably under reminder alert, there's an option called keyboard feedback. Just tap on it, then you can see the sound for keyboard is enabled, but the vibration is not enabled, and the only vibration enhanced button that we have for iPhone is the haptic. Once this is on, and whenever you're typing on a keyboard, your keyboard makes a kind of haptic sound that makes like that sounds like a vibration. You feel it like as if you're pressing something vibrating. It is called haptics, and that is how you can turn on Vibrate while typing on keyboard using haptic sound. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.